Yeah, so that's not the way to do it. This actually cut the cable. So let's try that again. What to do, what to do, what to do. Either I reconnect all these things or I create a new connection from scratch. Gonna try to recreate the connection. Okay, either muscular cramps or muscular crips. Not cricks? Cricks. Whatever. This is...
Basta. These days we are going to meet some friends in Marbella, is a city near Malaga. Cosa combinate voi due?
Sto giocando.
State giocando su e giù dall'albero?
Stiamo giocando a questa è la volta che muore Massimiliano. Allora, questo c'è. Ah, questo.
Per mano del suo migliore amico.
Esatto. Senza traumi proprio. Ok. Sì. Queste con le sue, sì.
Basso.
Giù. Pensando se giù e poi risaliamo. Ok. Praticamente rimane benissimo. Sì. Entrerebbe così e queste grosse prendono l'intero, non è come che mordono, ma proprio prendono l'intero pezzo. Prendiamo.
Do you want to tell people what I'm doing today? Yes? You want to tell them? Today I am cleaning the carpet.
Ok.
That it was full of gomito, like from Vlad. And also I'm doing a lot of laundry. It's laundry everywhere. I'm cleaning the boat, taking advantage of the sunny day.
Okay, so down from the mast. All good. We have the cable inside the boat. The only problem is that in order to to route the cable, I had to cut the connector, and this happened also in the Bavaria. No problem whatsoever. It's like you have to do it. It's not a big issue. Now, what we have here now is we have an Ethernet cable, plus and ground. Plus and ground, no problem. Ethernet cable, we need to redo the Ethernet connection. So, if I remember how to do it, this have already been done by the guys of La Casa Electrónica. and now I'm gonna try to redo it myself with 0%. Have no idea how to do it, but I have some things here. Yeah, so that's not the way to do it. This actually cut the cable, so let's try that again. With that, and we go like that, and it should strip the cable. Okay, now we have RJ45 connectors here, a bunch of them, because I'm gonna need to try this more than once. 100% sure of that. I have the cutted one, so I know the couples, and this is the original one, and it went white and orange, white and blue, then it left, I think it's 1 and 2 completely free, and then the full blue. Now, in order to do this, I remember Christian from La Casa Electronica, I don't know if I need to do anything with the shield. I don't see the shield in here anywhere. The shield is welded to this metallic thing here. I am thinking if it will be better, instead of trying to do the connection, just connect these cables again together. And I have ways to do it. I have soldering and everything. I can do this really good. And I think that will be a better way to go, because I don't have a connector that has a metallic frame to connect the shield. Does the shield is even needed? I don't know. I really have no idea. Maybe I should call Marco and disturb him on Saturday to ask a question. He's gonna fucking murder me. I can connect these two together and have a really good result. I remember on the Bavaria I had to reconnect the NEMIA 2000 cables for the autopilot, and I did it and it worked perfectly, because my only thing is that I don't have where to put the shield. And another thing is that I will need to resolder also the shield. So we need to resolder the shield, resolder all of these guys. And Vlad, the cat was trying to jump to the other boat. There he goes. Okay, so what to do? Decisions. Either I reconnect all these things, or I create a new connection from scratch. Gonna try to recreate the connection. So I was able to put the first 3, but then the blue I need to skip 2 places, and I think I just did it. Really? Yeah, man. Okay, cool. So this is how it looks. Use this weird looking thingy and unlock it, and I have this port here. So you just need to put it in like you are connecting it to a thing, and then just do that. And this magically should have done the trick. And nothing happened. Okay, so it was the other way around, and now it should have, and this should be working for reasons I don't know. So looking at them from the front, I see white and orange, white and blue, 2 empty spaces, 1 and 2, and then the blue. So this now should be working, at least in my mind. The good thing is that we can test this fairly quick. I just need to connect these guys to the positive, to the ground, and this to the Ethernet, and it's just like magic. We should see the radar appear on the system. Okay, that's really nice, and also give a little bit more stiffness. And that's never bad. So that's okay. And I'm also going to protect a little bit more the beginning here of the cable. You see that? I can't keep my
devi smettere di lavorare oggi.
I can't keep my fingers open. I can't. I just can't.
Basta.
I can keep the hand open. What's the name of this in English?
Crampo?
Yeah.
A stroke of your hand.
Yes.
I always find a nice way to explain things.
I don't think it's called a stroke of the hand. But what's the name of this in English?
Crampo.
Wait a second, guys.
Cramps, no? Crampo.
No, I don't think it's cramps. What's the name of this in English?
It's cramp.
Cramp?
Crampo muscolare.
Yeah.
It's
Muscular cramps?
or creak.
Okay, either muscular cramps or muscular crips. Not cricks.
Creaks.
Whatever. This is
Basta.
Again. No, yeah, basta. I can't. I'm not trying to do it, by the way. It's just happening.
No, dico basta lavorare.
God damn it! Okay, so the cable is done. As long as I don't close my hand, it's all good. So I need to do the rest of this with just hands. Anyhow, the connection is done. Cables are done. And definitely I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. Cramps is because I spent the whole afternoon on the mast, hanging like a piñata, a really fat piñata. But at the end, we have our nice. There you see it. We have the rudder. The rudder is there, perfectly safe. And I really was hoping to be able to connect the cables, but man, guys, no, sorry, not possible to do today. Do it tomorrow. And you will see the difference between the BNG. This is the Halo 24, which is the best they do. That it wasn't good enough to see a cruise ship in front of us, and the Furuno one that can see birds on the water. See you tomorrow, guys. Morning. So after an entire night of what we now know are called are called cramps, I finalized the installation, and I just turned it on this morning, and we are gonna see what do we see on the chart plotter and the results. And today's another really nice day. Let's do that. Not need to start the autopilot. So here's the chart plotter, and then stand by, transmit. What happens? There it is. Nice. Yeah. Darsena 1, Darsena 2, Darsena 3, Darsena 4. This is the external thing. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, here, I think it is. So if I go in overlays, radar overlays, radar rings, boom, there you go. Cool, that's the real thing. Okay, so now it's just about setting it up a little bit, and we have radar.
Hi guys! These days we are going to meet some friends in Marbella, is a city near Malaga, and we are gonna spend there a couple of days, 3 days actually, in a really nice hotel. We have about 2.5 hours of driving. Max, of course, is driving, and I'm the princess passenger. What's the cable?
Princess passenger. Princess passenger. Yeah.
Princess passenger. Which I'm really good at it. I have all I need. I have my music, and of course a little bit of music also of Max. And I have my companionship. I will speak to Max all the 2.5 hours, and he's really happy about it. There will be a really nice weekend.
Off the boat.
Yes, off the boat. We are thinking about going to visit some nice city nearby. It's maybe 1 hour far. It's named Ronda, I think. It's a really beautiful place on top of a hill. And also Sentel, something like that, is a city. Is inside a cave, really beautiful. Yeah, it's really cool. Bougainville, Sentinel, the Bougainville.
I didn't know.
Yeah, something like that. I will show you. We will get there.
We will try not to forget to show you guys, because we normally do these introductions and then we just don't record anything.
or maybe we will stay 3 days in an hotel doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, I was doing the video of this week video. I realized that I did all the tutorial for the competition style barbecue ribs in the air fryer, and then I eat the whole thing and didn't record anything of the final result. So we will try to remember to record.
Exactly.
Things.
And you will see what's the car trip is all about in our car with Max, with a lot of passion.
Mm-hmm.
Shake your body, baby, do that conga. Don't you think I throw yourself any longer?